Alright guys, it is finally time to get this boat motor all finished up. You can see how much dust it has on it. It's been sitting for a while. It's been sitting for almost about 2 months now. And I just got the Sportsman finished up and out of here, so there's plenty of room now, so I can finally get to working on this. And then once this is done, I can put it on the boat. Make sure that I fill them with gear oil, because I just remembered that, so I'm glad I haven't tested out that setup yet. And then I can go and take it out on the lake and test her out. But it'd be really nice to have this one done. So then, yeah, I don't think I'm going to keep it for for too long. I don't know. I might keep it through the winter, but I'm not going to keep it for forever. I'm going to see if maybe I can't sell... Oh. Sorry about that. Can't sell one of these motors, and because the boat just needs one, and I just thought it would be cool to fix up both of them, and then I'll set them both on the boat just for looks, but it'll just be the one on it, but it would be nice to test them both out on the same ride, I guess. Anyways, I got a used piston for it. I don't know if you guys, I showed you guys that, but here it is. This is my other good piston that's a little rough, but not so bad. This one's actually a little rougher, but it'll do the trick. And then here is the bad one. As you guys remember, all seized up, like just completely stuck. The rings are stuck on there. The rings are supposed to be like that. Not compressed. That's only for when it's in the cylinder, so this is garbage. And now I had to take it apart, put the new pistons in it and stuff. Well, hone out the cylinder, put the new O-rings or piston rings on the piston, and then I can put the pistons back in there and everything and get the motor together, and then figure out how all this stuff goes on there. So I don't know if there's an ignition timing or exactly what the deal is. I mean, it's only a 2-stroke, so it can't be that complicated. But I don't know if I was supposed to line something up or not. I think it's supposed to be just pretty straightforward, but I should remember how to put it back together. Shouldn't be too bad, right? So it'll be fun to figure out. And yeah, so just gonna get started on the motor here, guys. The tools are a mess, I know, but once this stuff is done, then I can pick up all this stuff. And actually, you know what, I might just pick it up right now, because I'm gonna be working on the boat motor, and I need my workbench. And you can tell that I haven't had much room to access it. It actually hasn't been too hard to find tools, but with the Sportsman right here, it was a tight fit, and now I got room for activities. So yeah, let me just clean this up real quick. Alright guys, so here you go. Picked up all my tools, put them all away, and even in here, oh, wrong one, even in there, all the tools are nice and put away. So it's time to get working on the motor now that I have room. So looks like I never did take stuff out of it. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. There's still, there we go. There might be something else still plugged up. I am not sure. I know that the cardboard's still on the bottom. Like, guys, I haven't touched this thing since I painted it. I painted it, geez, month and a half ago, and set it up here, and it just sat right there, and then tools. So it's time to do something about that. I got piston rings right here. I got this right here, this right here. I got the bag stuff right there. So I have everything to get this looking back like this, but with internals. So let's get this apart and then go from there. Alright guys, so I got the motor all split apart again, and here it is, and there's inside of there again. And if you guys remember, it's been a while, but this one has a little, what is my GoPro doing? Okay, it's acting weird to the light, but there's a little rust ring in there. You guys can kind of see it just before the bottom. Anyways, that's from, you know, the put in the parts junk box, but that's from the junk piston being stuck in there. So obviously there's like water or something, so that's why I gotta hone it out. And I bought this nice little hone a while ago, and it should work perfect for honing it out in there. And I just gotta spray some stuff in there to keep it from digging in. Basically is what that does, so that you're not scratching it. It's more like cleaning it. You know, guys, just like how wet sanding and regular sanding is. You know, it's just it's cleaner. So I gotta do that, and then I can start putting bearings and stuff together to get this going. And there's all the little bearings, and I'm not sure I got that random one, but what did I do here? I don't know what's going on anymore, guys. I kind of forgot what I had going on, because there was that. Oh, it's set on top. I get it. All right. And I think that goes inside there. I don't know, guys. I'll get it figured out. It's been a minute. This is why you want to stick to one project and get it all done right away. But I was hoping for new pistons, but I just had to settle with another used one. And looks like I'm missing a nut. So I'm gonna have to find that nut. Make sure that it's all tightened. And well, worst case scenario, we can take one of those nuts. So, guys, I'll get it all cleaned up here, honed out, and clean this up. A little bit of probably some moisture got in there by the looks of it, but I'll clean it out really good. I'm still gonna take the exhaust off, and probably the head. Well, we'll see. I'll look over it for sure before I say it's done, because I sandblasted this, so I want to make sure that no sand got in any little cracks or crevices, and make sure that it's all clean, because the last thing I want is a little piece of sand from the sandblaster getting right up in my cylinder with my new piston rings. But yeah, I'm gonna get to work, guys. I'm hoping, well, I'll get the motor together tonight, but I should have some time. But it would be really nice to get this done tonight, but for sure tomorrow. Guys, I'm trying. It'd be nice, but we'll see how things go, because there's still, you know, quite a bit to do, and I don't think this thing's on right, because it all moves. I don't know. I don't think I got it on right. Anyways, so back to this. I'm gonna clean it up, get it ready to go, stop getting sidetracked, and try and get this thing done. All right, I got you guys set up right on the edge of my little wood stand there, and I just wanted to show you guys the process that I'm going to be doing for honing it. So I found some lubricant spray here. It's called engine degreaser, at least this stuff that I found. And I got my hone on the drill, the broken drill. It's only got one speed, but not like you got to hone at a high speed. You're just trying to clean it up. So see how well this tool works. So spray in there, and then while you're honing, you want to spray it too, and fit this in here. So make sure that it's out. And you want to obviously keep it centered too, to the best of your ability. Alright, that should be pretty good. I mean, this is my first time honing, so, you know, we can all learn together. I'm gonna set this in there. Shit, all the little fingers are out. Alright. Oh, piston ring came out. Interesting. I thought something was funny there. See, this one is the one with the rust in the bottom too, so I'm gonna make sure I get this one good. There we go. Alright, let's see how well I did. Oh, is it gonna glitch from the light? Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of getting lines, but you can see the hatches in there. So, I don't know, I think it looks pretty good. Looks like it got the rust out too. So, that must be good to go. So, just like that, that's how it's done. Now, I'm just gonna, I don't know, spray it out and wipe it out with a rag. And then, should be good for the rods and the pistons next.